My people, how are you doing? I'm doing great and I hope that you're all fine right there. You know what is this? This is watch. And you know what time it is right now? It's time to speak English, so let's go. Today we're going to focus on question words. Just to remember, we have already spoken about it on lessons before. But today we only gonna focus on what. Please take your pen and your exercise book and write it down. What? As you know, we use what to ask for information about things or action. I'll give you three. I said three questions that we used. What? But in different manner, but the logical is the same. So please take your exercise book and your pen and write it down. What? Oh, uses of what? Or questions that is used with what. Question number 1, what does your sister look like? Question number 2, what is your sister like? Question number 3, what does she like? Did you understand? Maybe yes or maybe no, but let's focus on question number 1. What does your sister look like? When the person asks you this question, what does your sister look like? He wants to know about her physical appearance. For example, tall, short, fat, thin, slim, and something else. Practical example. What does your sister look like, António? Okay. My sister is tall. She's a little bit thin. She's dark skin. And she is like big booty. Question number 2. What is your sister like? What is your sister like? When the person asks you this question, he wants to know about her personality. I say personality. For example, she is funny, she is friendly, and she's intelligent. My sister is very intelligent. My sister is funny. Yes, my sister is like very friendly. Question number 3. What does your sister like? Usually when the person asks you this question, he wants to know what does your sister like to do? What does your sister like to do? For example, she's a model. She's a football player. She's a musician. A person that is a musician likes to sing. There's any additional information. We can use what in informal situation to ask a person to repeat something that you didn't hear it well or you didn't understand it. For example, did you get the paper? Sorry, what? Did you get the paper? Sorry, what? Yes, my people, this was our lesson. So please again, share, like, and subscribe. Come on, I say share, like, and subscribe. So I see you in the next video.